everybody, so this is now the outfit that I'm wearing today. Today we're gonna unbox. So I went to Gaisano today. Have to lower the aircon. So I have this dress that we're gonna use for driving. So this is set. I buy this one in Gaisano. It's only 447. No, it's 559. One set. I'm gonna use this blouse, this one, and the skirt, this one. We're gonna use this one for driving. So again, we're gonna unbox another one. This is the shoes that I purchased today. And of course, this is all from sponsored money. From sponsored money. So this one, I'm gonna use this one for my driving, uphill driving today. So this is not so expensive. It's only 499. So this one guys. So we're gonna put aside the garbage because we're gonna use this one for our driving today. But then okay, you put aside all because we're gonna use this for driving. So this is what we have, which is it's beautiful, right? But we partner this one to this blouse. And for now, I'm gonna change, so I'm gonna put you off. I'm wearing today. I purchased today in the Gaisano. So I am wearing now. So I'm gonna show you guys. Hi. So hi again everybody. So this is the outfit that I bought today in Gaisano and with the Ouija sandal. So we're gonna use this one for uphill driving and I hope you like the outfit today. This is my outfit. Okay, let's go. So okay, we have to drive to gas station. Drive slow for now and then for the channel and short clip of driving. I will just post that. So I like the capture of the camera now. I hope it will stay like this because it's really bright to the foot. So first to the gas station. full tank. Unleaded. I'm gonna wear it here. It's tight. Ilan?
1091.
Ha?
1091. Lala siya.
Hi again, it's me. I'm back. So thank you everyone for watching. And if you want a custom video, just message me to my Facebook page, Curse Vlog, or else send me an email. Send me a message to my lovely Scott at gmail.com. Bye, love you all.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.